How would you like to create an internet business in the next 90 days that make $1,000 to $5,000 per month? If you're interested, you want to watch this whole video. If not, have a great day. Let me get into the theory, the story of how I discovered something on YouTube that I didn't know that what I had discovered until many years later. August 6, 2009, I created this YouTube channel. And before that, I had created a blog. And before that, I was working on writing my storage auction book. And I created the blog because at the time blogs were really, really wild. They may still be wild, I don't really know. And I had my blog and I was putting up storage auction stories. And I was getting 6 to 10 hits a day. Very, very slow. Then I had the bright idea of creating the YouTube channel. Created the YouTube channel, directed the traffic from YouTube to the blog. I immediately went to 200 to 300 hits a day that first week that I started the YouTube channel. By the end of the month, I was at 500 to 1,000 views per day from the YouTube channel. Now, this is what's interesting. My YouTube videos were not getting thousands and thousands of views. What I believe happened was because I was getting this traffic from YouTube, it pushed the internet height of the blog up, which allowed me to get more internet traffic because all the traffic wasn't coming from YouTube. But that is one of the first signals to how powerful YouTube is. A great source of free traffic. Then I began selling my book. First weekend was toward the end of October. I made $600 in the weekend. I was thrilled. I wrote a book and I made some money. And I kept pushing my book and pushing my book and pushing my book. And by December, I was at $2,000 to $3,000 a month in average income. Fast forward to May, June of 2010, I was consistently at $4,000 to $5,000 a month income from selling a book. Now, okay, today at 2:30, I'm giving a live training on how to set up a YouTube channel and walk you through the process. Now, the link is below. I will be there probably 2:25, and the event will start at 2:30, and I will walk you through all of the things that you need to do to set up a YouTube channel where you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month. The link is below. I didn't realize what I had did until I started to go to Daryl E's Vid Summit. I went to some of the very first Vid Summits, very first, like 2013, 14, 15. And I began to meet other YouTubers who had huge YouTube channels. And I would talk to them and we would sit down and talk, and everybody was talking about, the popular subject was like how much money you were making. At the time, my YouTube channel was really, really small compared to these other YouTube channels. And I was making, at the time, my first one, I was doing consistently $35,000, $40,000 a month. Then I would come across these YouTubers. This one girl, she had 1.6 million subscribers, and she was doing like $7,000 a month from YouTube AdSense, and I was making $40,000. And she looked at me and she's like, what are you doing? Because first thing they do is they look at you, they look at your channel. Because essentially, YouTubers are kind of snobbish. If your channel is not at a certain height, they will just not mess with you. They will not talk with you. They will not assist you. They will not help you. They will not partner with you. They will not do anything unless there's a lot of benefit in it for them, right? So I talked to Daryl, and Daryl knew that I was making a lot of money, and Daryl started to aim his training where he had people who had YouTube channels, and they would sell something, because selling something is the fastest way to make money on the internet. I'm here to tell you. So what I'm getting ready to do is I put together some training. And the first thing I thought about was putting this together. The training was, it couldn't be really hard, it couldn't be long, couldn't be arduous, because you guys are not going to do it. You're just simply not. So within devoting an hour a day, you could create a YouTube channel that, say, in 90 to 120 days will be doing $1,000 to $5,000 per month. How can I make that bold promise? Number one, I did it and I didn't know what I was doing. I did it and I had no clue what I was doing. Number two, I understand the methodology. Number one, you must pick a niche. This is key. You cannot just come up there, hey, my name is Dave, I'm making you, that's not gonna make you any money. That's just not gonna make you any money. So you need to pick a niche, and there are like hundreds of niches. You need to pick a niche. Then you need to create a new YouTube channel. My recommendation is you start a YouTube channel from scratch. New Gmail account, new YouTube channel. All right. Then once you pick your niche, you subscribe to everyone in that niche on YouTube. Everyone. Like literally, you go there's 30, 40, 50 of them. You subscribe to them all. And this is really, really important. What you want to do is watch the videos from the beginning to the end. Literally, sit there and watch the video from the beginning to the end. Then when you watch that video from the beginning to the end, then this creates this situation where you now are being fed new videos by YouTube. Now, I would recommend that you take about 30 days to actually review the information. So let's say you have a job, you come home from work, right? I would suggest you devote 1 hour a day, 7 days a week, to watching the videos that are hot. And you will notice that there are certain videos in your niche that are trending. Those are your lead videos. You would make identical videos like that once you start making videos. But once again, I say pause. Take the time to figure out what's going on in your niche before you start making videos. You could take notes, you could create potential video ideas, you could talk to ChatGPT, but before you make your lead videos, have a good understanding of what's going on in your niche. All right, so then you have that going on. Then you would make your first videos. Now this is key. Number one, you want to make 3 to 4 videos before you release your first video. Why? You want to have stuff hibernating. YouTube can be weird. So you want to upload your videos and have them into your system. And also you want to have a good title, you want to have a thumbnail, and you want to have a YouTube description. All of that stuff is done before you release the video. Then you start releasing your videos. I recommend, once again, for optimum money management, you release 3 videos a week every other day. I would say Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and let your videos cook. All right? You release your videos, let them have something going on, cooking, hibernating, getting a little extra seasoning, and let them cook. Now, one of the things that's going to happen is you guys have to understand how YouTube works. And this is why I recommend that you create a brand new channel. You create a brand new channel, you let your videos, you get this information, because literally I have numerous channels and all my channels are being fed different information. Key thing, key thing. So what you want to do is do that. And then you start making your videos. And then once with the proper key and the proper things, then you can create a product that you can start selling to your niche. Now, I literally created a product and start selling it, and I made $150 in the first day. I just literally, it hasn't been the first day. I literally made a product and aimed at, and this is one of the things I will talk about that you can actually begin to understand. So this is the process. This is the beginning process of how I made $3 million in 10 months from YouTube. Beginning process, same process. It didn't change. My YouTube channel got bigger. I had a set of lead videos that I created, a product behind these lead videos, and that's what made me the money. So it's very important for you to create a YouTube channel that gives you information, gives you data. And literally in the next 90 to 120 days, you can have an additional $1,000, an additional $5,000 per month coming to you. If, once again, you have to devote an hour a day. And I know you're like, well, when will I make the videos? Got you. This is something I learned from Roberto Blake at Vid Summit. All right, so you're working a job Monday to Friday. You don't have a lot of time during the week, right? Guess what? You make all of your videos on the Saturday or Sunday. Roberto was working a job, and Roberto would make 7 videos on the Saturday and Sunday because Roberto was releasing a video every day. And he would make them all on the same day. So hour a day doing your research. Then when you get your videos, take the weekend and make several videos in the weekend. So this is how you can put your stuff on autopilot. And this is something that you can literally manage from your job on your phone. Essentially, whatever you pick to sell, So that's the whole process of how you can make money using a YouTube channel. And interestingly enough, when I was making this money from YouTube in 2009, 2010, my YouTube channel wasn't monetized by YouTube. That came much later. That came like 2011. I had one video that popped and I got an email that's like, hey, this video is eligible to be optimized and monetized for YouTube. And all right. And then 2 weeks later, the whole channel was monetized. So that's how that works. And that's the process of how I made $3 million and $10 million in 10 months on YouTube. So are you interested? Is this something you want to do? Is this something you want to put together? Let me know in the comments.